Hello guys, Gokulnath here. Here's the situation. You are new to France and you are planning to stay here for more than 6 months. Which bank account here in France is the best? This is what people said from my personal recommendations. What happened?
I just opened my bank account in France.
So how was the process of opening bank account in France?
It was a very smooth process. It was very comfortable for me because I don't speak a lot of French. I speak only a little bit. But they made sure that I understood whatever they speak and they did the entire process in English.
And in France, we are very bad to speak another language. En français, vous parlez vite.
Ok.
Et votre langue indienne, vous parlez très vite.
Oui, c'est vrai.
C'est un truc de fou.
Now for the most simple and complicated question. Which bank in France is the best? I have been living in France for more than 4 years and until now, in my personal experience, Société Générale is the one which I always keep coming back to. Their personal staff, their service call centers, local bank branch, they all speak English and no bullshits. All of the digital systems, in my personal opinion and my personal use case for the last 4 years, has been one of the most advanced in France. This is how you open the bank account. The documents required are your passport, your visa and your address proof, your phone number. If you are a student, then the certificate of inscription to a particular educational establishment here in France. Or if you are working, then the proof of your work contract. That's it. Just go to the nearest Société Générale branch from your place of residence and then ask for a personal appointment. And then on the day of appointment, submitting all these documents and then voila. It literally takes 1 hour to finish all this process and you get your personal bank account opened in 1 week and then your personal debit card in 10 days. Opening a bank account in France, it's really not a complicated process at all. Here is the bonus tip. You can get 80 euros for free when you're opening a bank account. For this, just DM me on my Instagram here with your full name and your email ID. That's it. And then you shall receive a coupon code by your email. You can just submit this particular coupon code to your bank branch personnel on the day of your appointment of opening your account, get 80 euros for free, no strings attached. Or if you have any other difficulty opening a bank account and if you are happen to be physically located in Ile-de-France region, then I can open a bank account for you in my own branch and all of my staff in my personal local branch speaks English. Hey, that's a help I can do for you guys for opening a bank account here in France. So, see you soon.